Okay. Inshallah ta'ala alla programme adiban sise ñemen fala be ni ka ama fele ala ka mun def ko qur'ana kono ko salamun hiya hatta matla al fajr be ko sura lo ñe o koro e mun li ni ka safu salim misrila letro qadri ki sabari eki sabari ki sigi ha fajiri fane sali inyala ako ko malaikal bena wo wati lu tema kana foli bwe slamalma garanti de mobulo ko na 3e ma mesali bana to me ko e bana ifo aluka mosi foli la si mosi ma ala me ya faima donc ni le président iwara foli wara fo ko obedi ale ko kurana ka muso men na kofo telembe ay fijala kari la danna ura base aya be man fule akabe be si daba be fule akara so ay kodi bi yenon le di men lu meren tekelendi fanye wakile ni yeke nyala bi problem yu sibe mo siba do mul barana muso barana do mul dinal bandase 3 o'clock ambe domunike bay sabari fajiri yi soroya anna fajiri alla hera fajiri 4 o'clock ambe fajiri sal 4 o'clock yewaye wala sini sala de di ambe ni weekend ma yalli mo karaso o baraji e fola ni malakal nara almay to han figetuma ele na wasire ele ma fodi soro amay.
Assalamu alaikum Imam is expressing the importance of being patient. We talked about the surah. We all know the end says that the angels will be among us until Fajr time. So he said to be patient, to wait until Fajr time, because you're not sure if the angels have put their blessings on you or greeted you. Because whoever the angels greets today will be forgiven and will enter Jannah. So to be patient. We're here, it's a few more hours. We're not sure. If you leave and you don't know if the angels have already put their blessings, ask Allah for forgiveness for you, then you will miss out. So that's what he's asking. Let's be patient, inshallah.
Okay. Bakari Fadiga. Deliwo deli ka telefon ya bulu. Ala wula yilo, turunte, abilo. Ham hanna emiso ye bayilo ni. Anna kuma yi alema. Atembo baluka. Occasion de te alina kanasro am nila de baro. Ibadallah fa inni usikum wa nafsi bi taqwallahi amra an yarkani fululali baymako mara yarkani fululali kalu fananali a fantanka ma alama oye munadi alaba ya marimenna yake abi fatandi amenna iya tuyi ala ko yekisi ala tama wala to fantanka.
Okay, so Imam is talking about specifically to the youth. He wants to focus his talk specifically to the youth. And he says that he's going to counsel himself and the youth to really be careful to follow the obedience of Allah and to avoid the punishment of Allah and the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Alialo aldeli no nyeme be folalie ali romente ambra tambala amba men falie kalo hakili blala alba o mina wole ka dalla alba o fanan soso o wale Allah.
The Imam said that the youth should understand, anyone who's young today should understand that we, the adults, have been where you are right now. We were also young before. We were also unmindful of certain things. And whatever your parents, the leaders, the Imam, and your parents tell you, if you follow, you will benefit from it. Because we've been where you are right now. Things may not make sense for you right now, but it will make sense. And you just have to follow what you are being asked to do. You will see the benefit. You will get the benefit.
وأوصيكم ونفسي بعلم الدين فعلم الدين هو حياة دين الإسلام وعدمه موته يجب الاهتمام به تعلما للكبار والصغار أن يكون سيلا فلان الدينينو عليكو بك دينا كران أكسوسي يتوالا أن البال كران ياسي مبي nin karan susi talla ate karana internet lubi iba foi ni alobila ifa ki karan ifa mi karan ni me lobila dakara ni ga sora do sabesi YouTube la e anna karamo do to fo aylen la karanala aba répéter fe il est karan kambe fisa ifadi donc ante se ka karan dalma karan madialiya aliya long ko la dina yimeyete ala naritea ala vi ayelon di lebulu ala saya ayelon di baliya lebulu.
Okay, so again, young people, Imam says that the most important thing in your life should be the knowledge of Islam. You should seek knowledge, and that today you are blessed with what? With the abundance of information you have on social media, on the internet, on YouTube, and other channels. You can go and learn about everything that you want to learn about concerning Islam. And he said you should take advantage of it. Because no matter what your parents tell you, they're limited. You have the capability of going to seek out that knowledge to understand what's going on. It's available to you. You should seek it. Because he said that Islam, that knowledge is what nurtures Islam. Ignorance is what is going to diminish Islam in your heart. So you should seek knowledge of Islam.
Allah أوصيكم بأهلكم خيرا وبأولادكم خيرا. قال تعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا قوا أنفسكم وأهليكم نارا وقودها الناس والحجارة عليها ملائكة غلاظ شداد لا يعصون الله ما أمرهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون. فعلوا فلا فعلوا أنينالو أنيو كونسيلا منا أني جانتو أندن نكو alako ala kurana kono kurana aya menna amaslani ako kalalu fantanka anala fami imuso ide tama tamena melekera bredi ani adamade kaba ani adamade ako tamen ni malekal bi malaika belelo malaika mehinatila alu malaika faditila niba mina kwa nyese madonge faditala norole abana bisiri mina itazamina la shidad alu faranda ube la yasuna Allah ma amarahum alu ta'ala sosola akiya marmenna ababe voyole kala Hinatila almilong almibodialong.
The Imam, this part of what he's talking about is regarding the parents, their responsibility. So us parents, our responsibility is to do everything in our power to prevent us and our children from hellfire. Because the Imam said that it is said in the Quran that hellfire will be filled with stones and human beings. Human beings and stone will fill up hellfire. So he said that we have to be fearful of that place. We should do everything in our capability to avoid going to that place. Because in that place there are powerful angels that you cannot wrestle with, that you cannot try to convince to let you go, because they don't listen to anything but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's command. Whatever Allah commands them, that's what they will do. You cannot plead with them, you cannot fight them, you cannot do anything. So us parents and the children, everyone should be mindful of trying to do everything to avoid going to that dreaded place, which is hell.
فوقاية النفس والأهل تكون بتأله أمور الدين وتعليم الأهل ذلك، فإن من لم يتعلم علم الدين يتخبط في الجهل ولا يعرف الحلال والحرام فيقع فيما لا يرضي الله عليه، ويكون مآله في الآخرة إن مات على الكفر أن يدخل النار خالدا فيها لا تلحقه شفاعة شافع وليس له نصير ولا يرحمه الله، وما ذاك إلا لأنه أهمل التعلم علم الدين. Ako ni abema tankata manyadi parce amara foki ni matankata ay matankata manyamen na fan yerekani am fulole karakadina yilong kan nu karandina ina ni mem madina yilong ibeta ikunfele ila silar beninte ima haramulong ima halalalong ibe bla ala kutakola ila bambena kemundi alkiamalo sini dunia ya folo kafriyama ibena irekani sorotaro ala nalu kisi wotama.
So Imam said that we talked about avoiding hellfire. How do we do that? Parents, your first responsibility is to learn Islam, to have knowledge of Islam on how to avoid what is forbidden and do what is allowed. So you know the difference between halal and haram. But if you don't know that difference, you will not be able to guide yourself or teach your children. You will be in life with no purpose. You will be in life lost. You wouldn't know what's good and what's bad until you end up in that dreaded place, which is hellfire. May Allah protect us from going there.
فمن هنا كان دور الأهل في تنشئة أولادهم تنشئة إسلامية صحيحة، فأي واحد منا قبل أن يشتري لولده سيارة أو يأذن له بقيادة سيارة يتأكد من أنه يتقن القيادة جيدا خوفا عليه حرصا عليه، فبالله عليكم أليس من باب أولى أن تتأكد من ولدك أن عنده الميزان الشرعي حرصا على دينه. Okay? Ko ne sabla ande lu falu anda devori be ko anye den nula mo samaya la moyala men mateleni ando kele sise ite mobili talaka du dembolo kaya la bori fa e subala kabra se mobili la burla permis ya bolo ina la bosla kan ayida mobilita islami wala mun na passé ko conséquence loss donc yene ki hawlama sadi men silanko kakan katambila wono wole ide mentulaya est-ce ko nindina le toya wole ko no vili kakan katola ya nindo men résultat bi andro yowi.
The responsibility of parents is to make sure that they equip their children with the knowledge of Islam. He gave an example of a concerned parent. No matter how you love your kid, you will never give him a car to drive without teaching him how to drive it, because that's disaster. It's going to cause accident, and you will be irresponsible parent to give a car to your kid and tell him to drive somewhere without knowing how to drive it. So it's the same example. And it is more important, if we're talking about a car, teaching religion and the ultimate goal of Islam, which is, again, to avoid going to hellfire, is more important and more incumbent on the parents to learn and to teach their children the right way.
أيها الإخوة، في حياة الإنسان أشياء مرتبطة به ارتباطا ألوهية. من هذه الأشياء أولاده. مهما جمعت الثروة ومهما اعتليت مرتبة ومهما كنت متفوقا، إن لم يكن أولادك كما تتمنى فأنت أشقى الناس. هناك أناس شردوا عن الله، أرادوا الدنيا وخسروا أولادهم. يدخل عليهم من الألم ما لا يوصف، لأنهم خسروا أفضل شيء يملكونه، لأن ابن الإنسان امتداد له. أوكي، أما الإسلام فعلوا فلن تابينه. أقول الدنيا نريد أكون فيكونه. كان يدور بي ولو تسي فرنا لنا ولو نوري إلى ماله. Norola inimenti farana ko ini fadi ko te farana nyamen o dole mendi eden na ki dia e dunia na fulo bemade na ki dia e dunia titre besro na ki dia e ke mo benya modi ninde nyimati den tibolo demen e ke e ko lo bila e ke nyamen na ile mo kunda bodi beli ala enkiso. Moli moldo melbe dunia doron ta kanini kanyine de nuku na fulo doron ta kanini kadiye de nyine de nuku kawori lodi al doron nyini kanyine de nuku wo mo wol bara perdi la dunia la al bara perdi la al kiyama la anko resultat sia manyele wo de wol bena al balawu lela sima anka na moba dulier aluka na flo bilbil basoro lagine ka bonulo sankansolu alu denni na ka doromi ka bomu be firiko al torla men na be kala fodi parce que aliki la tanta dunia la nyini kam mal may den na dan.
So one cannot dissociate a parent's ultimate success with their children or education in the way of Islam. He said, a parent, no matter how successful you are, you can be the richest person in the world, or you can be a leader, or you can be a man of knowledge. You can be renowned, okay? If you don't have children or a child that is a rightful child that knows religion, you have lost everything. You haven't gained anything. He said there are many examples of parents that chose the life of this world, that chose the pursuit of money, of fame and power, and neglected the education of their children, and have come to regret, because those children, after they've amassed all the wealth, became alcoholic, or became became bad kids who basically ultimately sold everything that their parents left because they were spending all their time drinking.
أيها الإخوة، ما منا من أحد إلا وقد جبل على حب سلامة وجوده وعلى حب كمال وجوده وعلى حب استمرار وجوده. هذه الثلاثة: سلامة وجودك في طاعة الله، وكمال وجودك في العمل الصالح، لكن استمرار وجودك في تربية أولادك وتنشئتهم تنشئة إسلامية. فين سببي أمن بيس جنيانته أمن بيس جنيانته أيم بي تابو كرو تابو يمندي على كيدا من كما أيو كرو وفين سباو يمندي يندوما ين إيتو دنيا كرو دسلا كرو يندوما ين إلى تو دنيا weke kisidima yinduma yen ko e continue e ba ko dun dunia la ay fo ko mari sa de ne mendi anno le mendi ade wolu fele e misiri ko le salla e alabatula o duma mo be mo saba be la donc ila a follow salama wujudika fi ta'atillah. Donc il a to dunia il kono akisi e mundi iyake albatuka. Ila to dunia ala kamali weke barani mali. Ila to dunia ala continue mundi e de nyima dajiodu ko tuiko ni mo simo to ako
There are three things that every parent would like to have. One, we all would like to have great life with peace of mind. Number two, we all want to be able to do whatever we do in this world to benefit us in Yawm al-Qiyamah, in the hereafter. Number three, when we pass on, we want to leave a legacy. That means children who are following the rightful path, who are following the path of Islam. Every one of us, the Imam said, would like these three things. But how do you get them?
Albert Tulomalo, nato passage memma, très important pour l'énigme. أكو ولا يمكن استمرار وجودك إذا أحفظت حسن اختيار الشريك أو شريكة أولادك. Very very important. أن للموبال أن للمو وليلو أوبا وليلو كوي وليلو الله 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 أوبا أبغى no نكايله Okay. Okay, let's go. ولا يمكن استمرار وجودك إذا أهملت حسن اختيار شريك أو شريكة أولادك. قال يترو ما نقول عليه. أنا continuous continue يندو كلو كان. نيل سارا إيجا كافي توكو إما continue. Donc na continue mundadi bibi anna nimfalu aluka salama musolo luswazi kadima mel dajigo dunni alla dajiwala an lil fana an be salama musolo talaka din denuma mel dajigo dunni an dajiwala deni wo deni ibe high school lalaba e college lalaba e kera musuliba ekele kediba ni nara kafridi ko ni dila ulama ubi ye wala furula atekera period atekera halimi yere torala halla ko ka be do islama yaron ta idila halla mo shaba da bara mo yawo wallahi mo siki tolongola anti nan lanti basila kono ala ka men kanye Iyere kana mirafeu.
Okay, this is like serious time, okay? The Imam said that leaving a legacy again in this world, in this dunya, is if you leave a child or children who are believers, who are going to follow your footsteps. He gave an example to our parents. Most of us today, our parents have passed away. But because they left us with the knowledge of Islam, left us with spouses that are Muslims, so men married to Muslim women, or our sisters are married to Muslim men, we have been able to maintain the path, the right path. And he said, we intend to do the same things for you. So all you young people who are not married, who are going to be married one day, inshallah, do not even think about coming to see us to tell us that you've seen a girl or a boy who's not Muslim, but that you want to marry, that you fell in love with. Because it's not going to happen. That's what he said. It's not going to happen. There are alternatives for you, many alternatives. So if you leave those alternatives behind, so it's like you have pearl and diamond, you leave that alone and you want to go get a stone in the gutter, we're not going to let that happen. If you understand the analogy. There are pearls and diamonds that are available to you. Get those. We will accept that. If you don't do that, then you will live the consequences. But we will not condone something like this. So think about it.
لكي نربي أولادنا تربية إسلامية ونعدهم أولادا صالحين لا بد من إصلاح المدرسة وإصلاح البيت وإصلاح الإعلام. المدرسة والإعلام خارج سيطرة الآباء اليوم فلم يبقى إلا دور البيت. إنك إديكاسيون لك na لايسانس إنك إديكاسيون لك الكو كودني يه بنك ayelamo adiani iye inyamenna fen sabahi ne kakanka contribute luma kakanka tabarake école kakanka tabarake ali joma media kakanka tabarake bi sama jamana luka sababe bi bulu mais anyero men naten kele ne yembulu kele wole yambu ali ma fele that's a problem with Islam kele ne yambu bi wole do mandi anna luma media saba e fen saba luma école ali media flambe warabo ambulo